160 crore IPO, 22,500 crore chasing for it, 219x subscribers. It is a precision component manufacturing company from Bangalore who is serving the semiconductor industry, the drone industry, the defense and aerospace sector. It is Millworks Technologies Limited from Bangalore.
I'm really excited seeing the response from my investors in Millworks. This is a big responsibility for Millworks and the promoters here. We will be working much more harder to keep up to the investors' expectations. We will be working on large-scale projects in the coming days.
Two, one, and keep that going, everybody.
The new investment would definitely will help us to improve the customer satisfaction, improve in margins and productivity. So with this, definitely we'll grow multiple times. As we already projected, next year it's going to be double. Like this year already we have planned for 240 crores turnover. Next year it's going to be the double. And with this, definitely we'll be entering into the defense as well as drone market. Already we are there in this segment.
Those who are into precision engineering in India, it's a vacuum. This company is one of the very few who are into precision engineering, which is needed in a aircraft or a defense setup. We have never been into that setup. It's always been an imported option.
Fabulous day for Millworks, having got listed in the Bombay Stock Exchange with a record subscription. I think this whole investment that is going to come into Millworks is going to transform the way Millworks is going to subscribe to the Indian defense and aerospace sector.
This is just the beginning of a new journey because once the capital comes to promoters like this, they can do wonders. And they're already working with giants like albeit Airbus and Eurorail and a lot of other companies, tier 1 companies. So the sky is the limit for these guys, and I'm wishing them all the best.